Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, delicious buttermilk pie. Very delicious, easy to do. Follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Okay, I like to start off with the a half a cup of butter, or a half teaspoon of butter, tablespoon. Don't worry about the ingredients, I'll leave it in the description below. But I like to put some sugar with this, some nutmeg, some vanilla extract, some kosher salt, and 3 eggs, some all-purpose flour, and don't worry about the ingredients. Like I said, I'll put it in the description below. And then we're going to add our buttermilk, a teaspoon of lemon extract, whisk. We're going to whisk this very well together. Okay, that's our pie we got out of the oven after 10 minutes. It's okay, it's a little puffy, but we're going to put our filling on this. Sorry, that's my dog making that noise. Okay, this is our buttermilk pie. I just pulled it out of the oven. Now look how beautiful that pie is. We're not going to cut into it right now. We're just going to let it set and cool down because it is piping hot and I do not want to feel like burning my mouth or burning my hands. But we'll come back. Okay, we're back and we're going to do a taste test on this. This is our buttermilk pie. Look how delicious that is, folks. Man, that is delicious. Take a look at that pie. Oh my God. That is so delicious, creamy. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, delicious. I love it. I want to thank you for watching my channel. If you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a notification, and I will see y'all next time.